I'm excited for today because, while I've posted all kinds of videos to YouTube in the past, I have never posted a unboxing video, which is kind of the hallmark of being a YouTuber. Now I have the opportunity to make this video because, well, in the past, I've been making all of my videos in my second bedroom, which my wife isn't exactly so thrilled about. We finally got some new equipment here in the math department at the University of Cincinnati. We're going to be setting up a whole video lab, and today I just get to play around with it. I've already got the new microphone on the camera, I got the green screen here, I'm going to put that beside me, and for now we get to do a little bit better lighting than this little guy, which is what I've been using so far in the past. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright, check out that. This is going to be much better. Okay, so we're definitely making progress, but now the problem is this ball. We gotta put the green screen on that. Alright, let's test this out. Pretty good, but let's go for the real thing. Alright, much better. Now, I wanted to give just a couple different announcements about what's going on in this particular channel. And the first of that is, I wanted to say thank you. We have managed to hit 2,000 subscribers, which, I don't know, I just think it's pretty cool for just like some random little math channel. So thank you for everybody. If you're one of my past students, if you're somebody else around the world, stay tuned. We got some big things coming, and thank you for subscribing. Second thing I want to note is that in honor of hitting the 2,000 subscribers, I have launched my own Twitter handle. It's for math. It is @TrevorBassett, the same as the YouTube channel. And there you're going to see different math things, little tidbits, some math education stuff, and of course a little bit of commentary about this particular YouTube channel. And then the third thing I want to say is most of the videos that I've done in the past have been videos related to my various courses: calculus, linear algebra, discrete math, and so on. But I really just like playing around with mathematics and seeing some cool funky theorems and funky facts and trying to prove things. So what my objective going forward in the course, of course I'm going to focus a lot on my courses. I've got, for example, linear algebra online coming up this summer. But I also just want to have some fun with mathematics outside of the context of my courses. So what I'm planning is a semi-regular upload of videos that are just some nice, delicious little math snacks. Most of them are just going to be kind of a few minutes long, accessible to a wide audience. You don't need any sort of fancy knowledge, but get us to being able to see some pretty cool mathematics. And some of the videos are going to probably be a little bit longer, a deep dive into something that I think is particularly cool. Now, as it turns out, I actually already have one of these videos prepared for you. It's kind of a really interesting journey into a mixture of combinatorics and topology. And I'm going to give you a little indication of what that theorem is all about. So what I have here is two totally random pieces of paper that are identical. That's the important point. They've got the exact same thing on them. And then if I put them down here on the desk, and I take the top one of them, and I just crumple that top one up however I want, and I'm going to come and put this top one directly on top of the bottom piece of paper. They began identical, but I deformed the top one. I didn't tear it or rip it, but I just put it there. Then what the theorem says is that there is some spot on this crumpled up piece of paper that is exactly on top of where it began down on the flat piece of paper. Which is kind of remarkable. No matter how much I scrumple it, no matter where I decide to put this, there's always some spot on that scrumpled paper that is exactly on top of where it began. This fact is a corollary of Brouwer's fixed point theorem, and the video is already there, ready and waiting for you to go watch. And if you want to see more of this kind of video, you can just go and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.